It's time to learn some words that are very common in the jargon of those who love to knit socks. Here is my little teaching sock, and it's going to help us learn a few words that will give us a way to orient ourselves through knitting projects we'll do together. When you look at the sock, as you prepare to knit, you will either be preparing to knit from the cuff down the sock all the way to the toes where you will finish. But you might also be knitting from the tip of the toe section up the foot to the heel, then up the leg for however deep it needs to be, and then casting off on this edge. As you go through the project, you will encounter the words like these: a cuff, a cast-on edge, leg part of the sock, heel part of the sock, heel flap, heel turn, gusset, foot part of the sock, toe part of the sock. Foot part also can have instep and sole. Sole of the foot and instep part of the sock. Toe section can be shaped to be flat this way or this way. Now, depending on how experienced you are with knitting socks, you may already have some project ideas in mind. Maybe you're just getting ready to learn. If that is true, then find one of the projects in our playlist that has a simple or beginner in its title. If you'd like to try something more intermediate or advanced, look through other projects and join us. Through different projects, we will learn different ways of casting on and shaping for the toes. We will learn different styles of cuff, knitting in ways that can make it stretchy, not stretchy, wavy, fold over like a little boot. We will learn different styles of shaping the heel. We will learn how to choose different types of yarn, from very thin sock yarn to very bulky wool, using all kinds of knitting needles in the process. Let's prepare by remembering the first words we will need on this adventure. The anatomy of our sock: cast-on edge, cuff, leg, heel flap, heel turn, gusset, instep, sole, and toes. Now gather your tools, choose your favorite yarn that will feel so comfy on your feet, find the matching thickness of the needles, and browse through the projects. Here in this playlist, we will start knitting a beginner sock project. See you very soon. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can see every video part that comes out with our tutorials.